Hello everyone, this is Mark Leibovit at vrtrader.com. Soon the Leibovit VR newsletters. We are upgrading our website, so that'll be posted soon. And we're looking at the Leibovit VR sequential indicator, and most specifically we're looking at the watch list, which is a unique function here on Esignal, where we can look at each individual stock in a watch list that we've created. Here we're looking at the Nasdaq 100, and if we see a positive VR, as we have here in Adobe ADBE, and there's a P after it, that tells you the VR is occurring in the current bar, the most current time frame. So we did have a key reversal day before yesterday, which was sort of a fudge VR in a sense, but the volume did increase here, and we're comparing back to this bar because on an outside day we ignore volume, but the stochastic is going up, so this says Adobe should go higher. Let's go down to another positive VR, ATVI. Activision, positive VR coming in on Thursday, rising stochastics. I would expect to see some follow through there, possibly up to the 200-day and maybe even the 50-day moving average. Let's go down to BIDU, Baidu. Similar pattern as we saw in Adobe. You had a key reversal outside day the day prior on Wednesday, but a positive VR on Thursday, so that would suggest some follow through. You have a rising stochastic. And let's say just paging down here, looking at the Nasdaq 100 list. We see a bunch of reds there, but we're going to ignore that because the market's coming off a bottom. I'm not interested in shorting stocks here or indexes unless we get more of a rally. So scanning down here, okay, so we got SanDisk, SNDK, nice Leibovit positive VR yesterday, rising stochastic. You've got your 200 and your 50-day moving average. You also have a gap in here, so I would expect to see some upside follow through. And going through the entire 100, let's see, there was one more. Of course, it was Wynn, the Wynn Resorts. Big positive VR. Look at this huge move yesterday. The importance of looking at these VRs intraday is important, again, because you could catch these before the close. We're looking at these after the close, so if you're monitoring stocks and a list like this, you'd have caught this during the day and possibly entered at a more favorable price. But Wynn also has a rising stochastic and positive VR, so I would expect some upside follow through here. So, pick your poison. You can jump in all of these, decide which ones you want to buy, but with positive VRs, they all should move higher in theory in trading on Friday, and that's how I use the watch list, and this is how I apply it. Again, tying a rising stochastic with a positive VR and a declining stochastic with a negative VR. Have a pleasant day. Thanks for checking in. We'll talk to you soon.